Hey guys, Teaira here. Welcome back to my channel. I am obsessed with skincare right now, and I'm obsessed with like getting facials. I am starting off as natural as possible today, like no weave, no lashes, no makeup. I don't even have nails on. I feel so bare. I'm trying to grow out my nails. They look really nasty like right now. And I say nasty not because they're natural, but because they just look really bad. I've been wearing acrylics for like 3 years, and it is time for me to take a break. So I like to go get facials, but facials can be very expensive, and the products that I use are really expensive, but they are cheaper than going to get a facial every week, every month, and you don't have to use every product that I'm using, obviously. So when I do go get facials, I like to take notes on what my esthetician is doing, so I can, like, you know, go home and do some things myself too, especially when my skin is acting up. Like today, my skin is acting up. It's the time of the month also, so that's why my skin is going through it, and I need a facial, and I need to do a facial now and not wait on my esthetician. So I'm going to show you guys what I do at home. What I do first, I clean my hands. First things first, I like to wet my face. And I do actually have a normal skincare routine on my channel. I'll link that down below so you guys can check that out. This is for a facial, but I do have a normal skincare routine. I'm going to use my cleanser that's in my skincare routine. This is the Murad Hydration. I have really dry skin, by the way. A prebiotic 4-in-1 multi-cleanser. And this is the cleanser I use pretty much every day. And I like that this is a gentle cleanser. Well, it seems like a gentle cleanser because it doesn't suds up every time I use it. I guess it just depends on the amount of water I put on my face. So while I'm cleansing my face, I have my steamer getting ready for me. I got this super affordable steamer from Amazon. I'll link it down below. You can also get it at like Walmart. And I love this because so the steam opens up your pores, so whatever products you're putting on your skin penetrating into your skin a lot better than if your pores weren't open. So even if you don't have a steamer, you can use a hot rag. Take a hot rag, rinse it out, and then put the rag on your face just so your pores can be open, so your pores can be available for the products that you are about to put on your face. So you can use the steamer before you start to clean your face, but I just clean my face while I'm steaming my face, if that makes sense. I don't know why I do it, I just do it. Let the steam hit my face for about 3 minutes, and it's so relaxing. It just feels like you're at a spa, and I just enjoy this a lot. I feel like I'm at a spa right now. I just really love this. I don't think y'all understand. I can get facials every day. My fingers look like little nubs. Oh my goodness. I'm not used to seeing myself like this. So I have these little cloths in my bathroom. I use these to like dry my hands, and I also use these for my face. So they're like hand towels, but it's like a fiber-ish. It's amazing. Every time someone comes to my house, I'm like, ooh, you're fancy. I'm like, girl, Amazon to do you right. Anyways, I'm gonna take this wet towel, and I'm just going to wipe off all of that cleanser. Roxanne. I had a little bit of mascara on there. And most of the time, if I'm giving myself a facial, I do it at night. Just because the products that I use are, a lot of them are just great for nighttime use before you go to bed, but you can do it during the day. And I feel like ever since I started giving myself at-home facials too, my skin doesn't break out as much. I do still have like those monthly, like, time of the month breakouts, but I don't usually have I don't have a lot of acne problems like I used to have. So the steamer is still going. It honestly, I can still steam my face if I want to, but I really don't need to. And it's good that you can see how much steam actually comes out, because on camera you can't really see it because the steam is actually hitting your face. This product is life-changing. I promise you, you will not regret this daily peel. This is an amazing peel. Your skin sheds, it's supposed to shed every 28 days, so you need an exfoliator. This is a chemical peel. Every time I go get facials, I get a chemical peel just because it just takes that layer of my skin off, and it's just amazing. So I need a chemical peel at home, right? It is amazing. Your skin will thank you. Your skin will thank you. I'm so happy I discovered this product. So there's two little pouches. One is the exfoliator and it's smoother, and then the second one is the anti-aging neutralizer. So I take the peeled exfoliator ones, and you take the sheet which has the product on it. So you just want to massage it until there's no more product on the little pad. So then you just want to leave that for 2 minutes and let the product work, and then I'll be back in 2 minutes. I just really enjoy peels because it resurfaces your skin and it just makes it look like a baby, like baby skin, like amazing skin, new skin. So now I'm going to take the anti-aging cream, the anti-aging neutralizer, and then I'm going to neutralize after. So what you want to do after that is you want to wait 2 more minutes and let that neutralizer work. I don't always do a mask, but today I'm going to. I like to put the mask or whatever mask I'm using in the refrigerator because I feel like it just works better. This is a cold plunge pore mask from Ole Henriksen. I don't even remember what this mask does. I've been using it, but I'm just gonna use this mask. And I'm gonna apply it and let it sit on my skin for 15 minutes. I like my mask to look pretty. All you wanna do is party all night. Okay, so I'm gonna chill for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Dosers. Okay, so once I take the mask off, you can either do another mask, which is a very hydrating mask, and it has a lot of serums on it. This is a really good mask. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and you can do this, but I do this sometimes, like when I'm on an airplane, but when I'm home, I prefer to use serums. And the thing about serums, they're expensive, and that's because they penetrate the skin better. They're just more potent. I think that's what I'm gonna say. They're more potent than like moisturizers. They have what you really need, like what your skin really needs. So I've become a serum junkie just because of my esthetician and how important how important serums are. So I use like six of them, but you obviously don't have to. That's so unnecessary. So I'm going to show you guys 2 of my favorite serums. So I like the Murad multivitamin infusion oil, and it just has a lot of different oils in it. Vitamins, it has 6 different vitamins, A through F. It targets aging, hydration, it brightens the skin. This serum, luckily I've used it before, so I know how good it actually works, and I was willing to invest in this, but it is kind of expensive. So you can use just 1 serum if you want to, at least have 1 serum in your skincare. So what I like to do, some people like to, you're supposed to rub it and then pat it into the skin, but I don't do that. I just put the oil on my skin, the serum on my skin. I massage it into my skin, and I'm going to tell you why I massage it into my skin instead of pat it in a second. But if you don't have the tool I'm about to use, you can pat the serum into your skin. And then another serum that I really love is a Dr. Dennis Grossi and Collagen serum. This serum already has vitamin C in it, but like I said, I'm a junkie and I like to use more than 1 serum. So I'm going to place that serum on my skin. Use a little bit on my neck too. Okay, so let me show you guys one more serum just in case you want to know another serum. I like the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum also. And then I just use some other serums too. I use this Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shots. This is from Sweet oh no, can't drop the serums. Can't do that. So I apply that to my skin also, just in case you guys wanted to know. Like I said, you do not have to use as many serums as I'm using. Like, this is so unnecessary. It really is unnecessary. Just because. So I used to be like, this tool is so unnecessary. But no, if you want to penetrate the serums into your skin, this tool is necessary. So just like the steam opens up your pores, this literally like pushes the product into your skin, you know? And I like to go sideways, and then I also like to push it up. And I feel like this kind of scopes out my face in a way too, because I realized after I use this, my skin just looks very like it's sitting. I like to push the product upwards. You don't want to push it downwards just because you don't want your face to start sagging, and you know, you don't want to have wrinkles. When I do facials, I usually do them at night, so this is why I use this cream. I use the Charlotte Tilbury. This is, yo, I didn't even know how expensive this was. Don't buy this, y'all. Go get you a sample, okay, at Sephora. Get a sample. Y'all can get samples of these products. Oh, last but not least, I forgot. Before I do this night cream, I'm going to use my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I like this cream because not only is it like it's a magic night cream. It really works magic. That's how I feel. It's a moisturizer, but not only is it a moisturizer, it's kind of like Vaseline, and pretty much that, you know, Vaseline seals, not really moisturize. So I feel like it moisturizes and seals. And it's even better to do on top of serums, because I feel like now it's just sealing the serum into your skin, and now you're getting the full use of the serums and the product. So I like to pretty much seal all of that good stuff and vitamins that I just put into my skin. It is so thick, it seals your skin. I do not advise this cream if you are gonna be out and about during the day, because this is just way too much to be walking around looking like you just put, like you about to go fight somebody, you just put Vaseline all on your face. That is so unnecessary, but it is great for nighttime use, or if you're like just chilling in the house. I love you guys so much. Let me know if there's anything that any questions you have in the comments down below. I will try to answer them. I love you guys so much. Subscribe for more videos. Check out my skincare routine in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.